I've got a tip here for you. Getting ready to install my cut-in boxes, and this time I was smart. I brought some deeper cut-in boxes with me. I had a short one, a shallow one. This is a standard thickness. And you remember, there's two different sizes. See how this top one is a lot deeper. And because I've got 3 wires over here, I'm going to put this in here because I got to make up some different wire nuts in here. Plus I still have to have the plug in there. And for the timer, I could fit in everything. If I had just a standard cut-in box, I could fit everything in there. It'd be really tight to get everything in there because I got the 2 wires. I've got to make up some wire nuts in there. And I also have to put the timer in there. And the timer is pretty deep. But because I've got these deeper cut-in boxes, because I've got it deeper, I'm going to go ahead and use those. And there's enough room in the wall to do that. And you know how much more this box was than this one? About a quarter. 25 cents or so. So next time you're at the store, you're getting cut-in boxes. If you've got standard light switch to put in, 1 wire or 2 wires or something like that, you can get your standard ones. But if you can find these, you better get some of these too, just in case. Now what if you don't need a long box? You went to the store and you got some extra long boxes and you ended up using the short boxes? That's okay. This was less than $2. You can save that and put that in your arsenal for next time. You know, there's always going to be a next time now, isn't there? Now you'll have some deeper boxes for next time. It's always good, even when you get done. When I go to the store, I try to get a few extra standard sizes and then a few deeper ones like this. So when I get ready for my next project, I'm all set to go. Here's one thing to remember. If you're going to use a deep box, you know, that's fine for these new wires, but what about the existing wire? You've got to make sure you got enough room for this existing wire to get all the way into this box because this box is deeper now, you remember? So, I made the determination. It's plenty long. And so I can do that. Now, if this wire was a lot shorter, I'd have a hard time hooking everything up into this box, huh? I might not even be able to have it come out to the face of here. So you got to be careful. You got to kind of take note of stuff like that. You may end up having to put the shallower cut-in box in there, the standard size after all. Only you will know.